Kadence Blocks Pro installation by GPL and Digital Confidense. At first, please install the free plugin Gutenberg Blocks for Page Builder features for Kadence theme available in the WordPress repository. This is that plugin I am installing and activating. Now you can see that there is a new option Kadence appeared in the left panel of dashboard. So, this is a free Kadence Blocks plugin and the respective features. Now, let's install the Pro plugin. I'm uploading the Kadence Blocks Pro plugin for extending the features. Kadence Blocks Pro plugin is installed now. I am trying for activating. It is activated. Let's check with the additional features we get through Kadence Block Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more WordPress plugins and themes related videos.